Hello dollies, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing unboxing video. This is a huge unboxing. I've never done such an unboxing video like this in my life. I'm so happy to find myself in such position. This is just a payoff on my hard work, I guess. I'm trying my best. As you all know, I'm just trying to get up there. I'm still here. Enough of the rambling. Let's get right into the unboxing. The first thing I'm going to be showing to you guys, it's from Urban Decay. I'm really going on top, man. What I really like about this, they said to Nora Honeyberg, YouTube channel looks by honey. I really like this. I'm not showing you my house address, but I want you to see this, guys. Okay, look at that. Look at that. YouTube channel looks by honey. I really like this. This is like people are beginning to know me, which is good. Spot on, guys. Anyways, let me show you guys what's in here. Look at the packaging, so secure. This is what they sent to me, the Urban Decay Heat Palette. I've got this. This is what it looks like. This is heavy metal glitter eyeliner, and this as well. This is the eyeshadow primer portion, and this is in the shade Sin. And this is the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Liner in the shade Bump, and this is in the shade Gold Rush. Yeah, that's the two of them. I'm just going to be using all this on my channel, don't worry. I got these two boxes from Morphe, guys. This is the lash box by Morphe, and this are the brushes. Wow, okay, Morphe. You are good to me. 9 brushes here, guys, and I've got the Morphe nose contour collection. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, man. And I've got the Morphe continuous setting mist. I've got the beauty blender. Oh yeah. And this is the liquid lip by Morphe. This is in the shade Nude Hotties. It's a kit, guys. Look at that. I'm happy. This is like a Christmas to me. Unbelievable. I've got like 6 lashes here. That's it. Oh dear. That's it. That's it. This is the luxurious, posh, icon, and secretive, and temptation. So glamorous. These are the 6 lashes they sent to me. So we're done with one box from Morphe. I'm opening the next box from Morphe, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. Wow. Okay, guys. This is lovely. Oof. This is lovely, man. I think this is the highlighter. Oh my goodness, guys. Thank you, Morphe UK. Thank you so much. And it comes with a brush, with a book. The packaging is nice, guys. This is the Morphe 15D Day Slayer. It has 15 shades for daytime to play with. Wow, look at that packaging. This is what it looks like, and it came with a mirror. It looks solid. That's nice. So this is the next one, the 35B palette. Color boost. Okay, guys, blend the rules. I love that, guys. Look at that. It's pretty. It's not as heavy as the first eyeshadow I just opened, and it doesn't have mirror. I love this, guys. I love this. Look at the colors. Wow. I'm gonna create something for you guys, but this is way out of drugstore. But Morphe products are usually affordable. The next one is 24G Grand Glam Makeup.
Look at that, it's well packed.
What's inside? There is no mirror as well, but there are lovely nude and warm shades to play with.
I love this. Alright guys, I think we're done.
The next thing I'm going to be showing to you guys is makeup sent to me from called Beauty, which are these 3 packs. My packs. I've got my scissors here with me, so I'm ready for you guys. Ready to show you everything. Oh wow, look at that. This is the Huda Beauty Contour and Strobe Lip Set. And this is in the shade Bombshell. Just take a look at that, guys. I'm loving this one. And that's one gone. And the next one is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Summer Edition. Okay. And that's what it looks like. This is in the shade Bikini Babe. Wow. Guys, I love that. My son is laughing over here. And this is the Huda Beauty Contour Set. Oh, wow. That's what it looks like. A really good payoff for my hard work. Oh, Called Beauty. Love you guys. Can you see me? Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. And the Huda Beauty Lashes Scarlet. Okay, guys. And this is the last one from Called Beauty. This is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. This packaging of these things are so tight. That's what it looks like. The bronzer. This is the Jouer Powder Highlighter in the shade Topaz. And that's what it looks like. And that's, oh dear. And that's what it looks like. I love this. It's so gorgeous. And that's it for Called Beauty. The next one I'm going to be showing to you guys is from Beauty Bay. I love this packaging, guys. Look at that, guys. This is adorable. Okay, Beauty Bay. Yeah. My regards. All right, the first one I'm going to be opening is I think it's good for underneath your eyes, you know, when you want to blend out your concealer. From the same box, I got the Violet False Lashes and Doteless Lashes. That's what it looks like. This took me a while to pronounce that. From the same box, I got the Stila One Step Corrector. And that's what it looks like. Look at that, guys. This is the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow. This is Shimmer and Glow, and this is Glitter and Glow. Blushing Berries by Dose of Color. That's what it looks like, guys. When you take it out of the box, that's what it looks like. And these are the shades. And that's it with one box. And the second box is, oh wow, it's all Sigma brushes. This is Sigma Sponge 3D HD Blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 brushes. Beauty Bay. I wish I could kiss you. That's it for the second box. Finish with the second box. And this is the last box from Beauty Bay. This is a Zoeva brush. This is 232 Luxe Classic Shader Brush. I love this. So nice. Wow, this is good. And this is the Soft Glam by Anastasia. When you take it out of the box, that's what it looks like. This is the Zulu by Juvia's palette. When you take it out of the box, it doesn't have any mirror. These are the shades. Wow, pretty. This is a set of lipstick by Anastasia. It comes in 4, which is Soft Pink, Kiss, Spice, Dead Roses. And behind it, it's like that. Oh, I'm tired. And this is the Pink Spectrum by Zoeva. Okay, this is a blush palette. The packaging is so nice. I love this. This is lovely. Wow. It's like a suede. Look at this. So beautiful. I love it. And look at that, guys. Wow. Look at the shades and this thing. It's so beautiful. It doesn't come with a mirror. But that's okay. And the last from this box, I guess, is the Cover FX Perfecting Setting Powder. It reminds me of the Too Faced setting powder. This is from Lancome. This is Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear in the shade 077. And this is Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. This is in the shade 03 Beige. I think this is a foundation and a concealer. Okay, I'm done with the Lancome. And this is from YSL. So beautiful. All right, this is the YSL All Hours Primer. And that's what it looks like, guys. Done with the YSL. And guys, I already opened this box. This is because I wanted to take a picture with it. This is from Chanel. And it's like that. Wow. It's a very good thing when you follow these people on Instagram. Like their posts. Work hard. Alright, this is the Chanel Soil Tan de Chanel. It's a bronzer makeup base. That's what it looks like. And when you take it out of the box, that's what it looks like. And that's it, guys. We're on top. I'll be doing a giveaway every month now. And it came with this little pouch with it as well. It's like a cream. Sublimate cream. And the mascara. Wow. Look at that. This is adorable. And it came with this envelope that says with a compliment of season. I love this. This is lovely. This is from MAC. Alright, it's a setting spray. This is a prep and prime setting spray, and that's what it looks like. Alright, I've got 3 boxes to open. This is from Tarte. So the first box is, it came in this wrap. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Deep Honey. And that's what it looks like. I think, guys, we're done with the first box. Now the second box just came in like that. And this is the Maninista by Tarte. Came in with a liner, mascara, and pencil. This is the last box. And in this box, it came in with a Double Duty Beauty. It feels soft. This is the Paddle Perfection Foundation Brush by Tarte. And this is Drink of H2O Skincare Hydrating Boost. When you take it out of the box, that's what it looks like. And I think I'm finished with the Tarte, guys. The last box is from Iconic London, guys. The packaging, very nice, well secured. We've got the Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Shine. I'm gonna try this one out. Guys, look at that sheen. Look at that. Wow. I've got the Iconic Powder Contour. When you open it, it's like that. It came with a mirror. These are the shades with the name on the, I don't know what to call this, but these are the shades. In that same box, I found the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. When you take it out of the box, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. And in that same box, I found the Iconic London Mascara. When you take it out of the pack, that's what it looks like. And the last is this. Wow. This is the Iconic London set of brushes. 12 sets of brushes from Iconic. Thank you, Iconic. And the pouch is nice. Thank you so much, Iconic. Thank you, Chanel. Thank you, Lancome. Thank you, MAC. Thank you, Beauty Bay. Thank you, Code Beauty. Thank you, Tarte. And yeah. I never believed I could have all this in my life. I never believed I could, encounter all this in my life. I'm so grateful to you all for remembering me. Thank you. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. It's a little bit boring, but it's nice because, you know, it's new stuff and everybody wants to get a new stuff, especially quality stuff, which is good. Affordable stuff is also good. Don't get me wrong. It's nice. Whatever your money can buy, it's good. I go for affordable stuff. I end up having expensive stuff. That's by the grace of God. Hallelujah. Anyways, enough of the rambling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.